Did you know that you can have multiple Chrome windows open at once on your board? Let me show you how. When you open up your Chrome browser, you can go up to the three dots in the top right-hand corner of your screen, and you'll see in the pop-out menu there is a button that says New Window. If you click that, it automatically split screens your board and opens up a tab in a new window. You can resize the two sides by holding and dragging the black bar to either side. Now, if you want all your ILC tabs in one Chrome window and other tabs like Lumio, PBIS, or Adobe, or anything else you use in another Chrome window, you are able to do that. You are also able to move tabs from one window to another. You can do this by going to the three dots again on the tab that you would like to move, and instead of clicking New Window, we are going to click Move to Other Window. Now that I can choose the other window that is open, I hit Move Tab, and now the tab is moved in the other Chrome window. If you don't want two Chrome browser windows open in split screen, you can long hold on the black bar in the middle of the screen and drag it all the way to one side of the board to clear out a split screen mode. When I hit the Recents button at the bottom of the board to the right of the Home button, I now have two separate Chrome browsers that I can utilize. If you have any more questions, please reach out to your EdTech coach.